Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wrike request forms for intake management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Wrike request forms for intake management, begin by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the folder where you want to create the request form. Click on the New button in the top left corner. Select Request Form from the drop-down menu. You will then see the request form creation interface. Start by giving your form a relevant title. Add a description to guide users on how to fill out the form. Next, customize the fields you want to include. You can add text fields, drop-downs, and checkboxes based on your requirements. For each field, set the options and mark any necessary fields as required. To reorder the fields, simply drag and drop them into your preferred arrangement. Once your fields are set up, focus on the Notifications section. Decide who should receive notifications when a form is submitted. You can choose to notify specific team members or groups. After configuring notifications, preview your form to ensure it meets your expectations. Test each field to confirm they work correctly and provide the intended information. When satisfied, click the Save button to finalize your form. Now, share the form link with your team or embed it into your website. Make sure to explain the purpose of the form to encourage usage. Monitor incoming requests through Wrike's dashboard to streamline your intake management. Adjust the form as necessary based on feedback and changing needs. This process ensures efficient management of requests and enhances your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.